Kia ora, Anna. Welcome to the Pacific Resort Rarotonga kitchen team. Let me show you why our team is the best team. Our goal is the absolute guest satisfaction. Our admin teams work behind the scenes who make our jobs a lot easier. Lots of work are done behind the scene to achieve our ultimate goal.
Thank you. Order up. One open chicken sandwich, one ikka mata main, one hot wings, and one sliders.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Our endeavor is to utilize local ingredients to create a truly fantastic Polynesian dining experience.
We stand together, even in our busiest hour, with a smile, thanking and supporting each other. And we are Team Cuisine.
That's why we are simply the best.